Hello guys, pakitingnan yung mukha ni Roxy hindi masaya pero laruin natin yan mamaya sa labas kasi yun yung mapagpasaya sa kanya. Anyway, dito ako sa labas kasi nag-snow nga, 'di ba? And then kailangan kong ipala yung dito sa ating porch kasi mag-ice daw din yun kasi sobrang ginaw, delikado. And then alam nyo naman si Tammy palaging lumalabas, so kailangan kong linisin kahit hindi ko malinis lahat basta kay yun wala na yung mga powdery dyan. And yun, masarap, hindi naman siya nakakapagod maglinis, kaso lang talaga maginaw, lalo na kapag hangin, mas sobrang maginaw kapag may hangin. Laruin natin si Roxy guys. Come on, right here, huy. Okay, come on Roxy, let's go. Where are you? Where's your rocks? Uy, ang ginaw. Hala, ang daming Hala, look. La letter A. Look, oh. Ang ibon, nagpurma ng letter A. Oh, ano na yan? Letter A to letter B. Hala. Hala, ano yun? Hala. Siren. May siren rocks. Ay, ang puti ng paligid. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. Second snow na ito sa season natin ng winter. Ang daming ibon. Masaya yung ibon dahil meron tayong mga pagkain. Look. Tara. Did Misty poo-poo already? That's good. Come on. Roxy, let's go. Come on. Come on. Look at, you want me to play? Oh, you want mama play? You want to play? Woo. Roxy, look. Boom. Come on. You good? You got her face. You can breathe. Oh, good girl. Good girl ni mama. Usapang makeup guys, uso na yung ngayon yung magpatato sa kilay, pero parang hindi ko kayang magpatato sa kilay. Tato ba yan siya? May tanong ako, mawawala ba yung tato sa kilay? Kasi uso na talaga yan, hindi naman siya masama, pero ang katanungan ko lang na hindi ko talaga alam, mawawala ba yan siya? Yung tato, and then mag-refill ka ng ilang years, ganun. So, yun lang yung tanong ko kasi yun yung hindi ko alam. I-try ko lang yung ganitong style na paglagay na ilagay yung tatlong kulay na kung anong gusto mo yung kulay ilagay sa mata, sa eyelid. And then nakita ko lang ito kasi kay Zoela ginagawa niya ito. Alam nyo naman tayo, mahilig tayo sa mga international na vlogger kahit noon pa. Zoela, sino pa yung iba dyan, marami pa, si Michelle Fan. Ganyan ako guys, mahilig talaga ako. But anyway, so yun lang yung ginagawa ko. At saka contour tayo sa mga flat na ilong dyan. Ipakita natin kay Tammy anong reaction.
You don't make it by your face.
So yun, meron na lang lipstick. Hindi na tayo pilokin. Sabi pa ni Tammy, ay, your change tops daw, pero nakapajama pa din. Sa bahay lang kasi ako, kaya pajama pa rin. Diba? Sabi pa niya, pajama ka pa rin, day. Yan. Ito, oh. Barbie girl. Imagination. Galing ako sa taas ng kanta-kanta. And ngayon, kasi hindi na ako magluto ng mga pagkain kasi ang daming pagkain guys. Hello guys, ibang video po ito. So tignan po natin itong paligid natin ngayon. Grabe. Dito po ito, mga kabaryo po ninyo itong vlog. So tignan natin, ang ganda lang sa labas kasi ang daming snow. So yun lang. And then the next din yan, magtatrabaho na naman si Tammy dahil kailangan niya magtrabaho. Kasi gusto niya magtrabaho, yun. So kaya yun. At saka, yan, nanonood lang kami dahil sobrang ginaw at makapal yung snow sa labas. Nanonood kami ng Christmas movie with my baby.
Bad in the store.
Serious?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
So now what?
Throw it out.
All your energy and excitement.
What kind of bread now?
For being on cam. Then
You cannot even return it.
relationships are good
No.
enough for is real life because you are not.
Oh, we got it in over there. Adams. Oh no, Hannaford.
December 5. What's up, guys? I'm using this bread, which is generally just used for toast, but the rye bread I had, apparently the store had it on the shelf. It wasn't good anymore. It was already moldy inside, but you couldn't see it until you use it. So now I had to throw the whole thing out, and this is the only bread we got, the white
The
bread.
Italian bread. And that bread, guys, is no preservative. No preservative, that means it will go bad quick. But that's a really good bread. Right, love? Toasting.
Yeah.
Look at that bread, guys. How long is it?
And I got everybody staring at me, wondering when they're going to get theirs. So I'm going to actually go back and get them turkey.
You get a turkey? It's going to work. Why you bring raincoat?
I'm going to throw it back in the car. I don't want to get caught.
Come on, bring this food.
Hi, guys. Hi, kids.
You give Misty a thing?
Oh, no, I didn't know you were.
Oh, you give them a thing. Okay. Itong sasakyan niya na Toyota, yung nilagyan ng plow, hindi ko naman pwedeng i-drive yan with plow. Eh, sira-sira yung daan. Mapagalitan tayo sa gobyerno. Hindi nakakahiya. Nakakahiya. So, kailangan kong, for example, meron akong kailangang bilhin importante or alis ako, meron akong magagamit. Kasi itong sasakyan ko talaga, ito na yung ginagamit niya kasi nga maganda siya sa gas eh. Yung gas mileage niya. So, yeah. Yung Lexus naman, battery lang talaga. Yung battery. Bagong battery pero sira yung binigay. Kaya, isauli natin.
Sounds so cute.
What happened to your son?
I know exactly what he did while he was sitting on his desk, staring at the window, staring at the window. Open up the blind.
He's happy.
Yeah. Where are your keys?
No, you had to have it?
You thought, what do you mean?
Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. And dito yung kasama natin. Oh. Yung kasama natin. Oh. Diba? Yun yung kasama natin kada umaga. Kada umaga talaga yan. And alam nyo ba na sobrang lakas ng hangin sa labas? Sobra. Kanina pa ito, almost 7 o'clock na ngayon. Pero kanina pa itong hangin at ulan. Sabi ko, sana hindi lumipad yung mga sa labas. Sa mga tawag nito, mga garbage field ba, sana hindi lumipad. Kasi kapag hangin talaga, lipa rin talaga rin. So, anyway, mayong umaga. Almost 7 o'clock, madilim pa sa labas. Come on, let's go out this way. Come on. Hello, eh. It's very weird in here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, basa, oh. Keep going, come on. Nag-coat ako kasi maginaw sa labas. Maginaw sa labas kaya ito. Alam niyo, bukas is Christmas na. Nakakaano yung bukas is Christmas na, pero alam niyo, parang yung Christmas namin is parang wala lang. Doon kami sa kapatid ni Tami, pero parang nagbago yung mga plano ng mga tao. Yung kapatid ni Tami, yung anak, nagkasakit. So, hindi niya alam kung makarating siya or what. Yung daughter-in-law niya, hindi niya alam kung makarating kasi na-cancel yung flight. So, ngayon, hindi na alam kung anong ganap. Chia. What do you wanna eat, Chia?
See what they ate the two of them didn't eat their food. They didn't eat your little squishy kids.
I love you.
They eat our food, but they don't eat their food.
No, this is good. Why you put hubs outside anyway?
Because he goes inside. And then Dimple eats both dishes and then he goes. Oh yeah.
What happened? What did you do? I've lost my mind, looking for the reason to. We have to separate Andrea's thing, okay?
And now sis. Hold on, this one's not full.
I've lost my mind. Where is the thing? Oh, I used it. I used it with the pork. Did you told me that? Mag-pancake kami. Say hi, love. Say hi, love. Say hi, love. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, love. Say
Let the rip it. I'll rip it.
hi. No, it's not ripped. It's a sticky like
One of
this.
them is ripped.
Oh, really? Why there is a rip?
Because it's that way.
Imagine that. Imagine ordinary people looking different world. Looking different world. When you eat, it go to your intestine directly.
Okay.
Okay?
You're confused.
Guys, we're done eating here, and then we're talking about this cheese is stuck in the plate. So now I was worried that the cheese is stuck in my intestine.
Hey guys, she said when she eats, the food goes right from her mouth into her intestines. It doesn't go into her stomach. Her stomach is just there, like.
So which one?
So you have something to show when you wear a bikini.
So which one is correct? It's go to the intestine. Research.
Goes to your stomach.
The stomach, it's full of intestine.
No, the intestines empty or something. You got the small intestine. Then
I
the
know, we have
intestine,
large
then the
and-
colon. Then it comes out into the toilet bowl.
And that's all, the whole stomach. When
Stomach-
there is
your
a
stomach
tube in
has-
our throat, it's
your stomach
going
has
to the...
acid. The acid breaks it down. Then it pushes it out through your small intestine, which is like a mile long. Then it goes into your large intestine, which is much shorter. And then it goes into your colon, and then it comes out your butthole.
Okay, I guess I believe this guy right here. Because... Anyway, guys, this is our day. With our boring day, we're just keep eating. Where is the kids? Where are they?
Yeah, waiting for something.
Oh, poor birdie. Oh. The bird is trying to fly, honey. He doesn't know what to do. He's in the porch. Some of them are on the ground eating the thing. So ngayon guys, nakatulog ako. Mga 1 oras din. Pagbangon ko, puting-puti na yung nag-isno kanina, di ba? So ngayon, ng oras? 4:31 na ng hapon. So puting-puti na yung paligid. Tignan nyo. Puting-puti ang paligid. Oh, puti. Pero ang hangin, grabe guys. Punta tayo sa harap. Tara, let's go tayo sa harap. Harap ng bahay. Hi, Diamp! Hello, Diamp! So tara, punta tayo dito. Grabe yung hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Grabe, wala. Marinig niyo. Grabe. Grabe yung hangin, no? Puting-puti, no? Paligid, no? Ang hangin, grabe. Ang hangin. Oh my God. Pasok tayo, guys. Oh my God, nakakatakot guys. Katakot yung hangin. Ay, ako. Blocks the wind. Hello guys, dito lang muna tayo guys kasi takot na ako guys. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye.